Unleash the wow factor in your kitchen. Join us on a journey of sheer luxury, where every detail turns ordinary into extraordinary. From futuristic tech to breathtaking designs, this is your ticket to a kitchen that dreams are made of. Ready to be inspired? Let's dive in. Hey there, beautiful souls. Welcome back to your channel HD Interiors. Today we're stepping into the lap of luxury as we explore the realm of high-end kitchen design. You know, the kind of kitchen that doesn't just make meals, it creates experiences. Your kitchen is the heartbeat of your home, and when it comes to creating a space that's as functional as it is opulent, we've got you covered. So, whether you're dreaming of a kitchen that's straight out of a home decor magazine or you're just here for some serious eye candy, you're in the right place. In this video, we'll be uncovering the top-notch ideas that can transform your culinary space into a haven of luxury. We're talking personalized layouts, premium materials, statement lighting, and the kind of technology that would make even the Jetsons jealous. Stick around, and you might just find the inspiration you need to turn your kitchen into a masterpiece. But before we dive into the details, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our design escapades. Now, let's elevate your kitchen game, shall we? Alright, let's get down to the nitty-gritty of creating a kitchen that not only looks like it belongs in a 5-star hotel, but also functions like a dream. Personalized layout and functionality. Now, when it comes to luxury kitchen design, one size definitely does not fit all. Picture this, a kitchen layout tailored to your every move, with high-end appliances that anticipate your culinary needs. It's not just about cooking, it's about crafting an experience. Imagine sleek countertops and custom cabinetry, each drawer and cabinet strategically placed for maximum efficiency. Smart storage solutions that make finding your favorite spatula a breeze. Because let's face it, a clutter-free kitchen is a happy kitchen. And speaking of appliances, we're not talking your run-of-the-mill stove and fridge. We're talking top-of-the-line, chef-worthy gadgets that not only elevate your cooking game, but also make a bold statement. So, whether you're a seasoned chef or just a lover of all things luxurious, a personalized layout and high-end functionality are the first steps to turning your kitchen into a masterpiece. Premium materials and finishes. Now, let's talk about turning your kitchen into a visual masterpiece with the right materials and finishes. We're not just aiming for good looks here, we're talking about creating a space that exudes luxury and stands the test of time. Imagine stepping into a kitchen where every surface feels like a work of art. We're talking about countertops that glisten with the timeless elegance of marble or granite, and cabinets crafted from high-quality, rich woods that not only look fabulous but promise durability that lasts. And let's not forget the impact of custom cabinetry and hardware. It's the details that make all the difference. Soft closed drawers, bespoke handles, and perfectly coordinated colors, these are the elements that elevate your kitchen's aesthetics to a whole new level. You see, premium materials and finishes aren't just about impressing guests, though that's certainly a nice bonus. They're about creating a space that feels like an extension of your style and personality. So, whether you're into the classic charm of marble or the modern allure of high-gloss finishes, the key here is to choose materials that not only look stunning but also resonate with your personal taste. It's your kitchen, after all, let it reflect you. Now, let's brighten things up a bit, shall we? We're diving into the world of statement lighting, where the right fixtures can transform your kitchen into a captivating haven. Picture this, you're sipping your morning coffee under the warm glow of a stunning chandelier. That's not just lighting, that's an experience. Statement lighting is like the jewelry of your kitchen. It adds that final touch of glamour and personality. From elegant pendant lights that hang over your kitchen island to under-cabinet lighting that not only illuminates your workspace, but also adds a touch of drama, the possibilities are endless. It's not just about banishing shadows, it's about creating an atmosphere. But here's the thing, statement lighting isn't just reserved for large, spacious kitchens. Even in a cozy space, the right lighting can open up the room and make it feel grand. It's all about finding the balance between functionality and aesthetics. So, whether you're into the modern allure of sleek, minimalist fixtures or the classic charm of a grand chandelier, let your lighting choices tell a story. It's the finishing touch that turns a good kitchen into a great one. Technological innovations. Alright, buckle up because we're diving headfirst into the future of luxury kitchen design, technological innovations that not only make your life easier but also add a touch of magic to your cooking space. First off, let's talk about smart home technology. Imagine walking into your kitchen, and with just a voice command, your lights adjust, your coffee starts brewing, and your oven preheats to the perfect temperature. It's not just convenience, it's a whole new level of kitchen wizardry. And speaking of appliances, we're not just talking about your regular oven or refrigerator. We're talking about appliances that can practically cook the meal for you. Picture a refrigerator that keeps track of your groceries, a stove that knows the ideal cooking time for your favorite dishes, or a coffee maker that starts brewing your cup the moment your alarm goes off. Now, we get it, technology in the kitchen might sound a bit space age. But think of it as your kitchen's way of saying, I've got your back. It's about creating a space that anticipates your needs and adapts to your lifestyle. So, whether you're a tech enthusiast or just someone who wants to simplify their daily routine, integrating smart home technology into your luxury kitchen is a game changer. It's not just about the gadgets, it's about creating a kitchen that feels like it's a step ahead. Now, let's break down some walls and talk about the trend that's been taking luxury kitchen design by storm: open concept layouts and seamless design. It's not just about cooking, it's about creating a space where every corner feels like a seamless extension of your style. Imagine cooking up a storm in your kitchen while still being a part of the conversation happening in the living room. That's the magic of an open concept kitchen. It's about tearing down the barriers and letting the energy flow from one space to another. But it's not just about the lack of walls, it's about the thoughtful design that ties everything together. It's about choosing colors, materials, and finishes that create a visual harmony between your kitchen and the surrounding spaces. When done right, it's a design symphony that elevates the entire home. And let's not forget the practical side of things. An open concept kitchen creates a sense of spaciousness, making even a smaller home feel grand. It's about maximizing natural light and creating an airy, inviting atmosphere. So, whether you're a host who loves entertaining or someone who simply enjoys the freedom of movement, an open concept kitchen might just be the luxurious touch your home needs. It's not just a design choice, it's a lifestyle. Let's talk about turning your kitchen into a chef's playground with high-end appliances and features that go beyond the basics. We're not just talking about cooking, we're talking about creating an experience that would make Gordon Ramsay nod in approval. Picture this, you're preparing a gourmet meal with appliances that seem to have a mind of their own, in the best way possible. We're talking about more than just a stove and a refrigerator, we're talking about culinary companions that elevate your cooking game. First up, let's talk about built-in coffee makers. Forget about the morning rush to your local cafe. Now you can have your favorite barista-style coffee right in your kitchen. It's not just about caffeine, it's about starting your day on a luxurious note. And what about wine coolers? A touch of sophistication that ensures your favorite bottle is always at the perfect temperature. Because let's face it, nothing says luxury like a well-preserved, perfectly chilled glass of wine. Now, for the serious foodies out there, consider the marvel that is a steam oven. It's not just about reheating leftovers, it's about cooking meals that retain their flavors and nutrients. Healthy, delicious, and oh so luxurious. So, whether you're a passionate home chef or someone who simply wants the best tools for the job, investing in high-end appliances is like giving your kitchen a VIP pass to Flavor Town. Well, folks, we've taken quite the journey through the world of luxury kitchen design, and I hope you're feeling as inspired as I am. Let's quickly recap the key elements we've explored today, turning your kitchen from a simple cooking space to a luxurious sanctuary. We started with the importance of a personalized layout and functionality. Remember, it's not just about the aesthetics, it's about tailoring your kitchen to your unique needs and lifestyle. Smart storage solutions and high-end appliances are your kitchen's best friends. Then, we dived into the realm of premium materials and finishes. From the timeless elegance of marble to the rich warmth of high-quality woods, these choices not only look stunning but also stand the test of time. Custom cabinetry and carefully selected hardware add that extra layer of sophistication. Next up, we brighten things up with the transformative power of statement lighting. It's more than just illumination, it's about creating an ambience, setting the mood, and making your kitchen a place you want to linger. And who could forget the technological marvels we explored? Smart home technology and high-end appliances that make your kitchen a futuristic haven. It's about convenience, efficiency, and adding a touch of magic to your daily routines. We then knocked down some walls, both literally and figuratively, with open concept layouts and seamless design. A kitchen that flows seamlessly into the rest of your home is not just a design choice, it's a lifestyle statement. Finally, we wrapped it up with a look at high-end appliances and features, the kind that turns your kitchen into a culinary masterpiece. Built-in coffee makers, wine coolers, and steam ovens, because a luxury kitchen is not just for show, it's for savoring life's delicious moments. Now, as you embark on your journey to create the luxury kitchen of your dreams, remember, it's not just about following trends, it's about expressing your personality and creating a space that feels uniquely yours. I want to hear from you. What's your favorite element of a luxury kitchen, and which idea are you most excited to incorporate into your own culinary haven? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. If you've enjoyed this design adventure, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more inspiration, and ring that notification bell so you never miss out on the latest from HD Interiors. Thank you for joining me on this journey, and until next time, happy designing!